Okay, this is chapter 7. Now, you all did the inverse of W already? Did you do that, Simon? The 3 different ways? And a lot of you did it with a calculator, I'm assuming.
I wrote that on screen.
Okay. Well, I'm going to show you how to do it by hand. When I first started teaching this course, I made them do it by hand. I'm being nicer now. The only reason is because now, with people taking online, it'd be very hard for me to require you to do it by hand when I couldn't even see you doing it. So I'm going to show you how this works, okay? So if we were to calculate 8 to the 12th mod 26, that would take a while. Do y'all agree? Come on. You would do 8 times 8 is 64, times 8 is 512. But you could do this. So far, so good? Y'all could do this by hand. You wouldn't need a calculator for this.
You wouldn't want to, but you could.
Right. Okay. So we could do that quite easily. It'll just take a while. And the odds of you making a mathematical error somewhere is pretty darn high. Okay. Now we got to divide by 26 to get the modulus. So you literally could, put out the number, then 26 is going to 68 5 times, and so on and so forth. Okay. Or, I'm sorry, 2 times. It's 2. But so you could do this long math, but you agree, again, that would take quite a while to do. What if there was an easier way to do it? And there is, much easier way. There's a name for this in math, but I don't know what it's called. But you can take 8 to the 12th mod 26 and break it out into 8 squared mod 26 times 8 squared mod 26 times 8 squared, so on and so forth. Okay, you can do that. I don't know the term in math, but that's legal. As long as the number of these add up to the 12, you're good. So you can technically do 8 to the 3rd 4 times, or 8 to the 4th 3 times. Okay, because you could do 8 squared mod 26 quite easily. 8 times 8 is 64. How many times 26 is 64? You could calculate that out very easily. Then that result goes here, so you replace these. So let's watch what happens here. So what if we did 8 squared mod 26 is a 12? It is. Then you literally just repeat the 12 times 12 mod 26 is 14. Then you do 14 times 14 times 14 mod 26 is this. Mod 26, and you get a remainder of 14. Okay? Much easier to do this way. Rather than all this stuff over here, you can very easily figure out, the whole 8 squared mod 26 ends up being 12. Okay? Y'all seeing that? Yes, maybe? You could do it. I say in the past, I used to make them all do it. So let's do 8 squared mod 26. We'll do it. Actually, I think I have a whiteboard up here. Maybe I can. How can I do that? I'm going to try this. This is going to be a trial run here. Okay, we know that 8 squared is 64, correct? Mm-hmm. So 64 mod 26. Okay, what's 26 times 3? That'll be 8. So 26 times 3, that'll be 50, be 75, that'll be 78, correct? Yeah. All right? So 3, that's too high. So 2 would be 52. So minus 52, and we get 12, correct? Yeah. So the answer is 12. Pretty easy to do there, okay? So now let me go back and share my screen again.
That's horrible writing.
Hey, that's pretty good writing considering I'm doing it with the darn mouse. Okay, so you saw how I got that 12 very simply. 8 squared mod 26. Then since I had it in there twice, it would be 12 times 12. But again, you got to bring the mod 26 again. So 12 times 12 is 144. Mod 26 ends up being 14. And it's literally that easy. Okay? Y'all see that? Now, I think I'd do it another way. Could also do 8 to the 3rd. So 8 times 8 times 8. Mod 26 ends up being 12 again. I'm sorry, 18. I'm sorry. 18. Then 18 mod 26 ends up being 12. I'm sorry, 18 times 18 mod 26 is 12. Then you end up with 212, so you get 12 times 12 mod 26, and you end up getting 144 mod 26 is 14. You don't have to do it this way anymore, and I don't have any homework assignments on it, but I'm just showing you that you can do it. Okay? Especially when you got huge numbers, because sometimes our newer calculators can handle it, but our older calculators couldn't. If you try to do, 8 to the 12 mod 26, it couldn't handle it. Okay? So pretty simple stuff there. Okay, that's all of that one.